Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the Python language. Start with the fundamentals of Python. This involves installing the latest stable version, typically Python 3.10 or newer, from the official website. Next, set up a robust integrated development environment, such as VS Code, to streamline your coding process. Begin by grasping core concepts like variables, various data types, and essential operators. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any Python program. Once you have the basics down, dive into control flow statements. Understand how to use if-else conditions for loops, and while loops to manage program execution. Next, learn to define and call functions, which are essential for organizing your code and making it reusable. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to solving coding challenges to solidify your understanding. To advance your Python skills, delve into object-oriented programming. Learn about classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism to build more complex applications. Explore powerful libraries like NumPy for efficient numerical computations and Pandas for data manipulation. Consider learning a web framework, such as Flask or Django, to build interactive web applications, opening up new project possibilities. The best way to solidify your learning is by building projects. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually increase complexity. Consider contributing to open-source projects on platforms like GitHub to gain practical experience and collaborate with others. Finally, connect with the vibrant Python community through online forums, local meetups, and conferences to share knowledge and stay updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.